All right, thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we have some cool conditions in the eastern U.S. In fact, temperatures running a good 10 to almost 15 degrees below average. But then later this week, we're going to see a pretty big warm-up as the weather pattern changes up a little bit, and then some heavy rain showing up in the central U.S. So for today, slight risk of severe weather over parts of southern Texas. Other than that, general thunderstorm concerns over the Gulf Coast states through the Intermountain West, and then some additional thunderstorm concerns in the Intermountain West and the Gulf Coast states on Wednesday. And then Thursday, we're going to kind of watch some thunderstorm activity develop into more of a severe weather potential on Friday over the central and southern plains, butting up along the front range of the Rockies. But that'll be the area that sees some very heavy rain over a several-day time period starting later this week into this upcoming weekend. For now, though, some moisture moving into the Great Lakes region in a rain-snow fashion. Looks pretty light. Showers and thunderstorms over Texas. Again, could be severe later today. And then moving into the lower Mississippi Valley, the Gulf Coast states by Wednesday and Thursday, setting up with some heavy precipitation values. And then here comes that storm system into the northwest with some high elevation snow, pockets of heavier moisture then starting to show up later this week and weekend in the central U.S. with some 1 to 2+ inch tallies there, and also along the Gulf Coast states. Some of that could lead to some flooding, but a little quieter over the Great Lakes region. Temperatures initially cool, but then warming up, especially over the Mississippi River Valley. Snowfall potential over a 5-day period, suggesting that there will be some heavier tallies over the high elevations of the western U.S. 6 to 10-day temperature outlook shows that we'll be warming there, and also over the Great Lakes and Midwest after several days of cool weather. And you can still see that pocket of cool weather today. And in the eastern U.S., we're about 5 to 10 degrees below average. Meanwhile, it's starting to warm up in the western U.S., and that warmth will continue to build east. But in the meantime, we're at 64 in D.C., 61 in New York, and 43 only in Chicago.